Beautiful fruity cutie with the booty. What's up? My name is Jeannette, also known as Ms.FitVegan. Today, I'm going out. As you can see, I haven't decided if I should wear this or the watermelon. I'm all about the watermelon, but I have this bag, so I can't be crazy. I can't be too crazy. So I think I'm going to do this. Not sure yet. But today I want to tell you and show you how I eat at restaurants. So it's been about 13 years. So I'm pretty professional when it comes to being a raw vegan. In fact, I wrote a book, so that's how you know I'm a leader in the movement. Anybody can be a leader in any movement. Just write a book. So basically, I'm going to show you what I do when I go to restaurants, okay? So when I go to restaurants, of course, I look up the menu. Of course, they're never going to have anything like good for me ever. Even if it's a raw vegan restaurant, it's a joke. I don't eat oil and salt and so many nuts and seeds. You know, I eat mostly fruit, but I eat a big salad for dinner. So what I'm doing, I looked up the menu. They have a salad on the menu. It looks like it's mixed greens and cherry tomatoes. So personally, I know they're not going to have a dressing for me, obviously. So I always make a dressing. Okay, so this one is sunflower seeds, garlic, lemon, half a date, smoked paprika, red pepper chili flakes, and that's it. Did I say some lemon? Somebody leave that below. Okay, so I have a nice, it's like a ranch dressing. It tastes really, really good. And I'm going to bring a few things to sprig up the salad. I'm probably going to order 2 salads, which is what I usually do. But here's the tip. Order 2 salads in 2 different bowls, because what they like to do sometimes at restaurants is give you, if you order 2 salads and you ask for it in one bowl, they give you a smaller amount than you would get if you ordered 2 salads in 2 different bowls. So sometimes I order 2 salads, or sometimes I ask someone I'm with to order a salad so that it looks like it's for them, but really it's for me. Okay, I'm going to bring a few things to put on the salad, easy things. So I'm bringing these microgreens. Okay, they're really yummy. I'm just going to put the whole thing. Oh, I have a piece of hair on the microgreens. Hair is everywhere. Okay, it's a good problem to have. So I'm going to open this up, just throw it on top. You don't need to wash it. I washed my tomatoes because I know that they're not going to have enough in the salad. So I have this big thing of cherry tomatoes, and then I have an avocado. Okay, and I'm going to put this into my bag. So of course I have this little bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my little bag into this bigger bag. I'm going to bring this bigger bag. I'm going to put all this stuff in here, and we're good to go. And you know, if I was a little more prepared, I would cut up some cucumbers. I would cut up some like green onion maybe. I would cut up some, maybe shred some carrots or something. But this is what I have. I don't have any cucumbers or carrots in the house at the moment. So I've got my tomatoes, microgreens, avocado, and my dressing. And we'll see. We'll see what happens. And, you know, sometimes I make a big salad and then I order a salad and then I put that, like my salad, in the bowl, or I put their salad in my Tupperware. But I don't want to bring Tupperware. It's a pretty fancy restaurant. So, yeah, I'm excited. Maybe I'll take you guys with me. Maybe, no promises. If I can figure out how to splice it together, maybe the end of this video will be me at the restaurant. Maybe, if I can figure it out. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content showing you guys how to be a healthy raw vegan in the real world, then click the thumb below. Subscribe. It's totally free, and I'll see you in the next episode. Also, check out my free book at 100freerecipes.com. Okay, I love you, boo. I'll see you soon. Bye.